This is practice A for section 8.1. We're going to find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of the indicated convex polygon. So a decagon has 10 sides, it has 10 angles. Those 10 angles, what do they add up to? That's what they're asking you to find. So we have a theorem that tells you however many sides your polygon has, if you take 2 away from that and multiply by 180, that'll give you the interior angle sum. So that's how we're going to handle this for number 1. We're going to do 10 minus 2, 10 because it's a decagon, times 180. And that gives you 1440. Now, if you know how to do the decagon problem, you should know how to do all of these other problems. For example, number 9, if you have a 39 gon, that's 39 sides. That's 39 angles. What do those 39 angles add up to? It'll be a big number. That'd be 6,660. That's how you do all of these problems in that section. Now, in the next section, they tell you the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is given. Classify the polygon by the number of sides. So we did problems like this in our first video. If this is the interior angle sum for the shape, what kind of shape is it? So basically, this thing equals that number. And then you could solve for what n is. So notice what we did here. We did number of sides minus 2 times 180. We're really going backwards. We're going to divide this by 180 and then add 2. So 1260 divided by 180 plus 2. That's going to be how many sides the shape has. So I'm going to type that in here. 1260 divided by 180 gives me 7. Now if I add 2 to it, I'm going to get 9. 9 sides on this shape. So the answer is not 9. It's telling you to classify the polygon by the number of sides. So I'm going to say this is a nonagon. All of the rest of these are the same. So for example, what type of shape has 7,560 degrees? If I divide it by 180 and then add 2, we'll know that answer. So 42 is what you get when you divide. Then you add 2 to that and you get 44. So it's a 44-sided figure. We're going to say it's a 44 gon. There actually is a prefix for that name, but we're not going to worry about naming it using those prefixes.